It's her 30th birthday!
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend.
Yo, what it do? Bronson and Jazz back with another vlog. You know what it is. Turn the camera on Malachi.
We are out to eat. Where are we, Malachi? Go
Where we at, man? Tell them where we at, Malachi. Go on and talk that talk.
He ain't been observing for his surroundings.
What's the name of this place?
Big Catch.
Big Catch. Okay. That's it?
What
Yeah,
we
that's
doing?
all I gotta say.
What's going on?
Come on, man. Get the people something, man. They want to hear something from you.
As you heard earlier, it is my mom's birthday.
Yay!
She's doing some Snapchats.
The Dirty 30.
What am I doing? I'm talking about 35.
Do Khalid and Jakaya know y'all came?
No, not yet. When she find out.
Khalid and Jakaya?
When I got here.
Look who here.
Lay, we in Cali, man.
That's how people do you. That's how people would do you.
We out here.
I forgot to tell you. Ooh.
That's how they do you. Just pop up in California without even telling you. Knowing y'all wanted to go.
I was gonna text her when we landed, but I knew
If it was up to me, I was gonna tell you. I thought she told you. That's crazy.
It was last minute. I ain't wanna,
And I
put
feel
nobody
you.
in no bind.
Yes. When you do stuff last minute, you can't even tell them people sometimes. Like,
It's like I'm just doing
this ain't a plan type of thing. You got a sign? What you sipping on?
I'm sipping on a sangria. It's pretty good too.
Okay.
Go get it, too.
What's that? Pepsi?
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
There's my favorite pop.
But yeah, stay tuned to the JALISA B-Day vlog. And we
Not a B-Day just yet.
it ain't okay.
Actually, it is. It is.
Wait.
Hey, I'm trying to rain on her parade.
Nah, it's 15 minutes.
No.
15 minutes?
It's been a long time, y'all been telling. How you
This is
feel?
my goodbye. You know what? I think I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Ready? You got no choice. Ain't no ready.
You might be ready. Some people gonna be ready.
It's,
Like, I
it's
ain't
ready. It's ready or not.
I might not be ready.
I'm ready to kiss the
I'm already
20s.
I say my age.
I only got 8 more years of my 20s left. I'm gonna enjoy them.
You got 8 years?
I got 8 more of my 20s.
32.
But yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm about to put them to work. We got some videos coming from both of them. Whenever y'all.
One more blue moon and one more this one.
I appreciate that. Hey, whenever y'all come visit us in California, we put y'all to work from now on.
Yes.
You gotta give us 2 YouTube videos while y'all here. At least.
At least a vlog and a challenge. Or something.
You trying to go viral? Yeah, this so crazy. Yeah.
Y'all want some deals? Y'all want some likes and comments?
Here is the orange chicken.
Times
We about
2.
to taste it. Times 2 with white rice. Yum.
Chicken wings.
And chicken wings. Yum. You like those ones? They good? Ooh, they looking good.
Thank you.
I never had some chicken wings with some jalapenos on it.
No, they gonna be good.
Oh, some.
Tastes much better.
Yeah. I'm hooking it up at home.
Right.
Hi guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You gotta try new things, man.
Shrimp lo mein, yum. I'm looking for my shrimp. I see one. I'm gonna have to get them together.
Hello, guys. We're on our way home now after a couple hours.
This is what we see.
Hey!
You gotta pull your camera out so they can see you.
They can see.
Hey, there you go. Let them see you. Yeah.
And the street.
So, it's my birthday. Here's what we're about to do. We're going to head to the beach. No, brunch first. We're getting brunch, and then we'll go to the beach. After that.
It's a little loud outside. I hope they can hear you.
Oh, do you have a microphone?
Not on this one. Not on this camera. No.
But you know what's nice? You see how you moving back?
Yeah.
Walking forward.
Yeah.
So,
Smile.
we're headed to the brunch.
As long as I don't run over my dog.
Beach. And then dinner tonight.
Brunch, beach, dinner.
BBD. It's driving me out of my mind.
Seems feels like time's out of our control.
Yay! Happy birthday! You're welcome. Yay! Aw, it's her 30th birthday! Hey!
This is so cute.
Aw. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Of course. All good. I'm happy.
Please. This is so sweet.
How the background look? Were you taking a picture?
I was trying to.
Maybe you should turn the other way or something.
Towards the light. Nice. You like this brand?
Bronson like it, and
Oh, this is the Tracy Ellis Ross.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, so you could try it. It's like a bunch of little samples.
Okay.
The conditioner, shampoo, and I forgot the other one is leave-in.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you're welcome.
You're welcome. Aw, thank y'all, everybody.
What's
Ooh,
that?
thank you.
What is it?
An eyebrow pencil.
Okay.
And Daisy by Marc Jacob. Ooh, perfume.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Ooh, I'm gonna butcher this. Yves Saint Laurent.
Okay, Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent.
Black Opium.
YSL.
YSL.
Another perfume.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And the card. 30 is feeling comfortable in your own skin, realizing you can do whatever you put your mind to, being surrounded by loving friends and family, knowing you deserve to be happy. Turning 30 is a celebration of the Free to Be Yourself decade. Aw, have a great birthday. Love, Bronson, Jazz, and Malachi. Aw, thank y'all.
Happy birthday.
Hey. Thank you.
Well, that's 30.
Right. Well, that about wraps it up.
It's your birthday, baby, it's your birthday. And who's gonna love you on your worst day?
All right, we're on the rooftop, bottomless mimosas.
It tastes good. Yeah. It's really good, thank you.
How is it?
Freedom of speech, woman. Freedom of speech.
You feel? Malachi right there in the water, just in right there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there you go. There you go.
Wow, this looks Thank you.
You are in for a treat. Amazing. I can't wait for you to try it. Would you do another cocktail, sir?
Oh, I'm good. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm
Enjoy your meal. I'll keep checking back with you.
Thank you.
So we at the ranch. It's Lisa's birthday dinner. She over there. She over there. Don't worry. She got the steak. Got the salmon. She got the salmon. I got the steak. You feel me? We happy 30th. This is the end. Ooh. This is the end of the 30th celebration. I tell you.
This happened.
I don't know, Malachi.
How did what happen?
Me and you got the same thing, and then they got the same thing.
All right, what's this? Lobster mac and cheese and some green bean casserole. Jalisha's choice.
Did you have a good birthday?
I did.
Happy birthday. Malachi still got to do his online learning even though he on a little vacation. And I got him editing one of our videos. No, I'm just playing. What y'all learning?
Timetables and stuff earlier.
You're giving all my information.
Oh, you right, my bad. Look at him, he think he's smart. He think he trying to hide something. Okay.
Go ahead, tell me, y'all, where we at? What we doing?
Yeah, Runyon Canyon. About to go for a hike.
Yes.
This is Malachi and me for a time.
Okay, cool.
Real?
All right, Malachi said he want to get some sun. Malachi, you say you want to get some sun before winter?
Oh, I see some flakos.
Malachi, you say you want some sun before winter, right?
Yep.
All right, so I had to put my hat backwards so we can get some sun. You feel me?
Are there rattlesnakes?
Me and Malachi trying to be out here looking like the darkness in the wintertime.
Just the poisonous kind.
Yeah, so there's poisonous snakes. There's a lot of wildlife out here actually. There's some.
Look at a lizard.
Yep.
Look, if you see right there, there's a lizard just crossing the road. Why'd the lizard cross the road?
To get to the other side. That's a suicide joke. It's not funny.
Right there.
And there's also mountain lions and big bears. So you got to be careful, okay?
There are bears here?
Big bears.
Where? On this little lizard right here. Can you see it from here?
Y'all might not have heard, but we gonna move down here in like a year or so, 2 years or so. Probably think about like this one or 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 that one way over there. We don't know yet. So you like
This one right there.
like that one?
Yeah.
Alright. Y'all heard it. So if you live right here, right now, your days are numbered. Count your days. You can't be showing on my house too much. Let me stop. They might try to, pull up.
I want that one right there.
Alright, so we found some pomegranates. Jazz said she about to just take one. I don't know if you're supposed to take those. That's somebody's house.
They alright.
You gonna eat that?
Why not?
It ain't developed yet.
I know. That's why I want that big one, but I can't get up there. You gonna pick me up?
Alright, well. That's a premature pomegranate to eat. Oh, that's where they be sacrificing people, Malachi. You want to get sacrificed? I'm sorry, but this whole thing was to sacrifice you. We had to get you up here to sacrifice you.
If anything, we need to sacrifice you.
Okay, well, let's sacrifice me then.
Okay, bye.
Alright, well, we gotta get at least. We gotta get you a picture. You and Malachi a picture right down here.
Alright.
But you didn't bring it at all? Yeah. She got a good lens. She didn't even bring it. I'm gonna get a picture of y'all right here though.
Like we could probably be looking like some buildings there, man.
And that, Malachi, is Los Angeles. Y'all heard that, LA? He said y'all ugly. Now he putting a spell on y'all with his secret powers and stuff. What you just put on him, man? You gave him a blessing or something?
No.
You done blessed the city?
I was pointing.
What did he do?
What I could see.
He blessed the city.
I see a mountain.
Pray
over
for the
there.
city.
It's over there.
Oh, you got one? Is it pomegranate? I knew it.
Let's see.
It's good too.
Alright, y'all see.
Can I taste it?
You can get a little seed.
Yeah, y'all all can catch it. You ever had pomegranate? Ever? Really?
No? Oh, good. First time trying it.
Okay. As you can see, we keep our hands clean and clean.
After we steal our
And we
pomegranate.
She didn't rinse that off or nothing, but.
It's inside of something. I was gonna touch my
You
hand.
said, and we still Malachi?
Yes.
Of course. We're black.
That's not true, Malachi. We don't steal.
Some people still
We just borrow for a long time.
borrow without asking.
Pretty much.
We're gonna get a couple.
What does it taste like?
It's sweet.
What it tastes like? It's
Tart.
tart.
You like it?
It's good.
You need a lot
Yeah,
of
it
them.
tastes like a little juice, huh?
A little.
You gotta, maybe you could spit the seed out or you could chew on that little part. That's
I
the
just
hard
swallowed
part.
it.
Yeah, that's fine. You want more? You like it?
He played too much.
Stick your chest out.
Smile. Stand straight up. Do this.
There you go. Oh, careful. Careful right there, Tom.
Here's to another 30.
Yay!
Malachi. Malachi. It's time to go. Time to go. Alright, well, this is it.
Thanks for having us. We
Oh,
had
yeah,
fun.
thanks for coming.
We'll miss you.
Man, let's end the vlog, Malachi.
Alright, bye. Now we got to be in the video.
Tell everybody to like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please. We're trying to reach 1 million subscribers. They got 2,500.
Yes, we're trying to reach 1 million subscribers, so please like, comment, subscribe. You heard the kid. We out.
Bye.
Huh? Christmas? We should be home.